Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. I should say welcome back. I know it's been some time, but here I am, and I do apologize for being MIA, but there have been a lot of changes in my life, and I did want to get on here and update you guys because you guys deserve to know what's going on in my life. But as some of you guys may know, I used to work at Chase. I was actually a banker there for 6 years, and I decided to change careers. So I'm doing something completely different. I'll share what it is in the future. I'm not ready to share it just yet, but yes, I am doing something completely different, and it was a big decision, so it did take me some time to adapt, and even now I'm still learning. But yes, that is a big change in my life. Secondly, I do have some bad news. Unfortunately, my car did get hit. If you followed me on Instagram, you saw I posted it a couple months ago, and I still have yet to fix it. I'm thinking about what to do. I'm not sure if to just fix the bumper, get it rewrapped pink, or rewrap my whole car. So I'm not sure what to do. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I should do. I'm leaning towards changing the color, but I don't know. You guys let me know what you want me to do. But basically, I was in a parking lot. The car next to me pulled out and basically hit my car, my bumper to be specific, and they just left. They didn't leave a note, they didn't do anything. So unfortunately that did happen, and now I'm stuck with having to fix my bumper, which is one of the reasons why I did not register my car for SubieFest this year. I just felt like it wasn't 100%, so I didn't want to put my car out there. I did attend as a spectator, which was so much fun. It wasn't as hot as last year, so I did enjoy that, and I saw so many beautiful cars, which you guys will see in a moment. I also have some exciting news for my brand. As you guys know, I have a brand called Better Tomorrow. If you guys don't know, go check it out. I'll leave my Instagram and my website down below for you guys to go shopping. But I am gonna have a few new drops coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And I do have an exciting video coming out next week as well, so stay tuned for that as well. If you guys don't have your notifications turned on, make sure to do so you're in the loop. But it's a special video for me, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. And yeah, with that being said, let's go to SubieFest. So I just got to SubieFest. I actually just parked. It's 3:54, so we got here like 2 hours later, but I didn't want to get here right at 2 because I knew there was going to be a long line for parking and it was going to be hotter, so hopefully it's not as hot as it was earlier. I'm wearing my Better Tomorrow shirt and some shorts because it's so hot, but we're gonna walk over and I'll show you guys SubieFest 2025. So I brought a bunch of stickers. I'm gonna put a few on my car, so if anybody comes to my car, they can take one. I'm gonna just put a few. Love her new wrap. So sick. we got Juan over here, Subie Juan. This bumper or what? Now that my bumper is messed up, should we pull the trigger? Getting ready for the exhaust competition. Who's gonna be the loudest? And then they have the rally right now. Maybe we'll see a little bit and then take off. There's a lot of cool cars. I am getting some inspo, taking notes, and yeah.
What a week spin. That's crazy.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at STILIZ, shop my brand Better Tomorrow, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!